Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. You may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelts fastened while you are seated. In a few moments, the flight attendants will be passing around to offer you hot or cold drinks, as well as the breakfast, dinner, supper, a light meal, a snack. Alcohol drinks are also available at a nominal charge with our compliments. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.